Hello everyone, here today I will show you the explanation of that IDM that not showing in YouTube, your Facebook, any other web videos to download it. So the problem is same here that when you go to the YouTube or Facebook or search in the Mozilla Firefox and any other video, but the IDM label which is supposed to be on the that side of the video, but it doesn't appear. So this is the problem. For example, IDM uh, label supposed to need to be here to download. We click on it and download it the videos, so it won't come. Why it won't come? So this is the problem. So let's uh, fix the problem first, before everything. So you need to have a IDM downloader. So I have a downloader, and after downloader, so there is go to the downloads options. So after download option, check these all the browser where you want: Google Chrome, Mozilla. I check, then go to the below edit and check, click all. By click all, you are uh, for options to download IDM that the appear on all the WMV, WAV, ASF type format videos, and also check this. After these, go to there. No, sorry. After these, just click OK and go to this edit, check. OK, OK. These are checked. You can see these are already checked. OK. And it's OK. After OK, come here and select these three buttons which are setting of Google Chrome. Setting. After setting, go to extension. If you have IDM, like for example, this is the IDM. So this is the another type of IDM downloader manager, but you have the like this type of image icon here instead of arrow icon, and internet download manager text. So you need to be check enable allow and incognito, and also check the another option. There will be another option in your browser. My browser is different. I have some other purpose which I'm not supposed to here to explain it, but your here your see a view of here will be changed from me. Like the icon of arrow will be like this IDM icon, and the text are same, but allow and I going to first enable, then check these, and uh, after that reload your videos, and you will see the IDM label here. I didn't see. I not able. I don't. I doesn't want to show my label because of some purpose. But this is the way that that can work correctly. So 100% I already prove it, and a lot of people are stay away by with the help of this tip. So you also need to apply this. If you didn't see the if you didn't have the IDM Ignutino, so restart your system, and you will have the problem fixed. So subscribe our channel for more stuff.